hit the profile and it'll go to. It's the 8th drive. It says attendant. That's when you can do it back here.
When you to return to the
This will go to your seating, just like before. And then I'm gonna hit profile again. Oh, sorry, mode. Attendant.
attendant.
Now, remember, when you are, especially backing it up, it's better just to explain it. So if you're backing it up and you want the back end to move to the right, you got to think backwards. The back end will go when you push to the right, will go to the left, and vice versa. I still struggle backing these out of my van, and I've done this a long time.
It's the
Like
hardest.
car.
It's the hardest thing is
Yeah.
to back up in a straight line.
Yeah.
It's very
Okay.
hard.
And honestly, these are mid-wheel drive chairs. They're designed so hopefully you don't have to go
When you're
backwards
going
too
in the
much.
van is when you, and that's actually, it can be a big pain in the ass.
So I'm going to bring the tilt down.
Could I add
Absolutely.
something here? The reason that he has to tilt back, are you all familiar with that? There's two reasons. Every every 20 minutes he should spend at least a couple minutes back. Okay, and I'm going to have a timer that's going to attach to the belt here, and it's every 20 minutes it'll beep, and that means that he should go back for a couple minutes. What it does is it takes pressure off his tailbone just for a few minutes. You know, that's enough. But it also gives him a break in terms of blood pressure and breathing. Okay? His blood pressure will momentarily go down again. Or, no, sorry, it'll go up. It'll go up when he goes back.
Okay.
And then if he's upright too long, his blood pressure will start to go down.
Okay.
So it's important that he, every once in a while, goes back. If you go to a hospital where there's a lot of paralysis patients and you go to their common area, there's going to be 6 or 7 of them that are always back like that, and then they come up again, and then they go back, and they come up again. That's what they're doing. They're managing their blood pressure,
And they're getting off their
taking the
butt.
weight off their butt. Yeah.
So every 5 degrees of tilt, which is about that, you're taking the pressure point off of your tailbone and moving it up your back about an inch. So he doesn't have to go all the way back to get pressure relief. He can move within, all of the entire travel.
Yeah.
Wherever he gets to, if he's like, oh, that's
Can
good.
they stay back there longer?
Sure.
Yeah.
If it feels better, yeah. So when I drive with him, I put him backward a little bit,
Yeah.
so that when you're going over bumps,
Oh, yeah,
it's
for
not
sure.
boom,
It's
going
not
on his tailbone.
When you get him into the chair, I can't emphasize enough, tilt it all the way back. No.
Will our
I know
Hoyer-
you guys are like, what?
Will our Hoyer go up that high though?
Well,
No, you can put him in the Hoyer when it's just half of that.
Yeah.
But what he's telling you is you got to get it all the way back like this in order to reach in and get his hips.
Oh, to get a lot.
and not to mention, don't kill yourself.
Yeah.
Pulling horizontally is a whole lot better than trying to lift him vertically.
Yeah.
So it takes very little effort just to slip,
Yeah.
and gravity will pull
Oh,
him.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's why I don't want anybody hurting their backs. That would be.
This happens once in a while. I don't know why.
That is strange. Okay, and it won't drive. That's a good thing. There we go. Yeah, that isn't weird.
What, do you know what happened? No. Okay. So sometimes when you're all the way back, it won't tilt back up. You have to go out to the mode, change the mode, and then try it again, and then it'll go up.
How do you
So-
change the mode?
So-
This coming by itself?
I'll let him go.
So this one toggles between seating and attendant. If you turn it off, so it'll drive here when it says 8 attendant. When you shut it off, it shuts the whole thing off. Okay, I'm up. And then I'm going to turn it back on up front. And then the power should be through the front.
Everywhere is on.
Is it still attendant? Sorry, I digress. Oh, that's right. he can change it up here. So he has to hit this to get it off of a tendon.
From the top here.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Orbital.
I have a feeling you're going to have it mostly on back here to start. That.
Oh, you want me to go get that?
Well, you got to get it in the right spot. I'm pretty sure that's probably going to be the most difficult part of the whole deal.
So, I think it's going to be a while before we get back to this.
Okay.
And so, I think maybe I'll have you come back at that point. Maybe a month from now.
Absolutely. Okay.
Something like that, yeah.
So is that for him driving, or?
That's for him driving.
That's the only thing that thing is for?
Yep.
Yeah, so you have to have that on if he's gonna drive.
Yep.
Yeah. I was gonna ask if you thought he was gonna be ready to drive like, because he said he hadn't driven for a while. Yeah.
It's going to be another month before
We'll
he
let you
starts
tell
driving.
us when he's
Is
got
there,
his
is there
license.
pressure issues?
No, it's his, that it's hard on his neck to drive, and he's got to get his neck straightened out before we go.
He's got to build up some muscle
Yep.
in his neck.
Yep.
Good. If you notice that his head is always on the headrest, that's something I can adjust. When the chair is tilted, yeah, use the headrest. But if he is not, okay, John, show some skills here. That's right. There we go. No. Okay, hold on, where was I? I'm losing my mind. Oh, just so you know too, see how this is yellow and it's blinking?